Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to create dynamic blocks. In previous video we learned about what dynamic blocks are. Okay, so in this video we will create that one and we will put some certain actions on a specific object. So let's get started. I will go here in block panel and from here I will click on block editor. It will open edit block definition dialog box. Here I will write for example car, okay, car, and I will press OK. Now here I will just insert a object. For example, here I have opened a car and you can see some of the view, that is side view, front view and rear view. Okay, so I will insert all of three views here in block editor. So what I will do, first I will just insert this side view. So I will select that particular object that I want to insert. I will just press Ctrl plus C from keyboard, Ctrl plus C, and then I will press Ctrl plus Tab and I will go into the block editor dialog box and I will paste this view here, okay, and I will click on this, okay, and then I will press Z enter A enter for zoom all if this is not visible for you. Okay, then what I will do, I will just put some visibility actions here. Make sure you are in parameter tab in block authoring palettes, okay, and I will go here in visibility. I will click here and I will put visibility here, okay, in front of this car. Now this is the action, okay, and then I will go here in visibility state and from here I will rename this one. I will rename this one side view, side view, and then I will click new and make sure this option is checked, hide all existing object in new state, and here I will just write front view, okay, then I will press OK and then again OK, and I will insert front view here, okay. For that I will just press Ctrl plus Tab key and this is the front view. I will select this one, then I will press Ctrl plus C from keyboard and then again I will press Ctrl plus Tab to go into that block editor window. Then I will just press Ctrl plus V, okay, and I will put here. If this is not visible for you, you can just enter Ctrl plus Z, okay. I will just move it with this, okay, with move key, and I will move here, okay. Now I want to move as close as possible. Now again I will go here in visibility state and again I will add new visibility, okay. Now I will write here rear view, and I will press OK. Then I will press OK again and then again I will go that particular drawing with Ctrl plus Tab. This is the rear view. I will select this one. I will press Ctrl plus C from keyboard and again Ctrl plus Tab to go into block editor and I will just press Ctrl plus V to paste it here, okay. Then I will paste as close as possible, okay. Now we have just put some certain action on this object, okay. So let test the block from this options, okay, test block. I will click here and then I will select this particular object and you can see this is the grip, okay. I will click on this and you can see some certain actions, side view, front view and rear view. Let's just select rear view and you can see this rear view. Select this grip, again check front view. You can see this is the front view. This is how you can just add the action on a particular object. If this change is accepted for you, just close this one, okay, close test block and go into that block editor and just save this block, okay, from here, from this button save block, and then close block editor from here. Now let's see how to insert this one. I will go here in block panel and I will insert this block. Here you can see only one block, okay, that is car, okay. Then I will just press OK and I will insert here. Now nothing is visible for us. I will just press Z enter A enter for zoom all, okay, and here you can see this is the car block, okay. I will just click on this one and here from here you can just take some certain actions. like front view and like rear view. This is how you can put some certain action on a object. I hope you understand this section. I will see you in the next.